Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that JASMY has formed a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this was the triangle. This was the down trend line resistance of the triangle, and this was the horizontal support. And you can see that finally we have broken out this triangle. By the way, before the breakout, the price and also found this uptrend line support as well. And I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time it can break out this triangle. However, in case of breaking down, it can drop down here again at the support of the triangle. And you can see that the price and eventually broke out the resistance. And so far, from this low to here, JASMY has rallied more than 178%. And in today's video, we will analyze this rally. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern and from this descending triangle as well. I've been telling you in my so many previous videos that once JASMY will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then we can expect a very massive parabolic bull run. And you can see that the price line has turned parabolic bullish. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that JASMY has rallied more than 1459%, and we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Dream Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 19th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this descending triangle. And now after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally, we have broken out the resistance. And by the way, before the breakout, we also found this uptrend line support as well. And finally, you can see that the price line has bounced very well from the support several times, and we have broken out the resistance. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this triangle, and that target for this breakout from this triangle can be here. That was approximately at 3.9 cents, 3.8 to 3.9 cents, and you can see that the price line has moved slightly beyond that target. Now there is a probability that the price line may also try to break out this long-term resistance that we have here approximately at 5 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then we can see that this 5 cents has been previously breaking as a support and resistance level as well. Here you can see it has been breaking as a resistance. We had a very strong rejection by this resistance, and again it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, on this 7-day time frame chart, there is a bearish divergence also flashed, as you can see that the price line is forming a higher than previous high. But if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is forming lower high than previous high. Yes, it is possible that it may move more up and also forms another higher than previous high like the price line is doing. Then this bearish divergence can be removed from the chart. However, this is a bearish divergence signal, and there can be a probability that the price line may move down for a retest. And in case of retest, it can test this support of 2.85 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now for the past several weeks, it was breaking as a resistance. And in case of breaking it down, the price line can retest the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out this very massive resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well, and this descending triangle. And we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, but still a very massive move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this triangle, not the triangle, a falling wedge pattern. And that target from this breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 19 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.